it's me, Lauren, for Lovely's Instinct, and today I'm coming to you with a product review. So for those of you who are into nail care, nail art, nail trends, anything nail related, you probably know about most of the products that's on the market right now, related to gel polish or organic, vegan friendly polish, nail art charms, etc. So anyways, so OPI actually has a line of gel polishes, OPI GelColor. Well, I noticed, I guess it's been in the last month, 2 months, I noticed that they have the OPI GelColor ProHealth base top and base coat. And so this is actually a professional only product, or unless you're a student going to cosmetology school or nail technology school, there's no way that you can buy this on your own. You have to go see your own nail tech or be a professional yourself. Well, I picked up a pack, and what I really like about it is that it says that it has ProHealth, like some added stuff into it to give you healthy nail care. But also it boasts that it has an easy removal in as fast as 7 minutes, and that says 50% faster than the original OPI GelColor. And OPI GelColor is supposed to be fast anyway with removal. I think shellac has probably, they most likely have changed their formula over the years from when they first launched, so that removal is a lot easier. So I'm not sure how it compares to the current formula of shellac or your I think it's called Kiara Sky, or any of the other gel colors on the market, but it says as fast as 7 minutes, so that's pretty good. On average, I think all the other ones are about 10 minutes. And also it says 2+ weeks of wear. Everybody boasts that. I think it depends on your lifestyle and application. And it says unbeatable shine, which again is most gel polishes. This one, I actually went and got my nails done for this one, and I'm not sure, I can't remember. It's the brand with the tiger looking logo on it. If my hands will focus. And so you can see I have quite a bit of shine on my nails as well. So what I like about this, I did notice removal is a lot easier, and I don't know if it's because my nail beds are normally oily and it does take a little bit extra work for gel polish to hold to my nail beds, but I did feel like it was like seamless how it just comes off the nails. So you do it the same way that you would do your regular gel polish, your base coat, then your color 2 times. Some people do 3 depending on how opaque they want the color to be, and then your top coat. Did I say base coat first? Yes. Yeah, base coat, color, and top coat. I'm trying to make sure I said the right thing. So it's really good. It also has all the instructions on the back when you get it, and they'll tell you about the cure times if you're using the UV LED lamp and what version of their lamp that you're using. And so it's 2 full bottles that come with it, and they're labeled appropriately. I left one of the labels on one of the tops, so it'll give me added reassurance that I'm using the correct one. But this is the base coat. Well, they have different tops anyway. This is the base coat. It's hard to focus when there's nothing behind it. And then this is the top coat, and both say ProHealth. So have you used these, or have you seen them in your nail salon? Let me know what you think about them, and if you have experience with them, did you notice like a difference in the removal process? So like I said, visit your local nail tech and request it. And if you are a professional, maybe check into it for some of your nail clients that want an alternative to the regular top and base coat that's available. Okay, that's all I have. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.